Hey guys, how's it going? How to reset voicemail password on Mint. So first of all, to reset your voicemail password on Mint, dial 611 from your Mint mobile phone, and then choose the option to reset your voicemail password. After you follow the prompts, follow the instructions to set a new password. Alternatively, you can reset it through the Mint mobile app under the voicemail settings. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.